Ever since I started to learn to read Thai, I've always found it a bit boring staying at home looking through books. I've gone outside and just tried to learn in the real world by finding signs, menus, and other things, and then practicing reading them. I guess other people are probably the same. In that situation, what you don't want is to carry books around. It's not very convenient. But it might be useful just to have a reference for the tone rules. So I've done something today that I've been meaning to do for a long time. I've just made a reference card that's the same size as a credit card. Here it is. I'll give a link below where you can download it. And it's a PDF file. I found that when I was just uploading the image to the server, if I downloaded it, then the software would try to print on a full page, which I didn't want. I wanted to retain the small credit card size, which is why it's PDF. So the idea is just to print it out and fold it in half, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to a little print shop and get it laminated and just keep it in my wallet. I assume that if you're watching this, you've watched my previous videos on how to determine tones from the spelling with words that have tone marks and words that don't. I'll just give you a quick demonstration and I'll show you how to use this card. So here is a sign. This sign has got 4 words. Barn, wang, hi, chow. So barn, house. Wang is available. You'll see this word in taxis when they haven't got any passengers. Chow is to rent something. You know, if you rent something, chow. Hi is to give. So hi chow is when you have something that you want to rent out. You know, a car or in this case a house. So it's a house available for rent. So first word, barn. And we'll see the initial consonant is bo by my. So we go over to this part of the card and we see if we can find bo by my, and it's here. So it's a mid-class consonant and it's got the second tone mark. So then we go down to the bottom. This would actually be on the other side of the card because you're going to fold it in half. So a word that starts with a mid-class consonant that uses the second tone mark has a falling tone. So it starts off with a lot of energy, then drops away. Barn. Next word, wang. And here we see it, so it starts with wan, the W consonant. And we go over here, and can we find it in the high class and mid class consonants? And we can't. So in that case, if it's not mid or high, it has to be low. So it's a low class consonant and it uses the first tone mark. So back to here. So low class consonant, the first tone mark, and again it's falling. Wang. Hi. Ho heap. Back over here to look. Yep, is ho heap. It's a high class consonant and second tone mark. So high class consonant and second tone mark falling again. And the final word, chow. So cho chang. Once again, over here, it's not in the high or mid-class consonant, so it has to be a low-class consonant. Uses the first tone mark, so low-class consonant, and first tone mark is a falling tone. So all four words have a falling tone. Now I'll just give you a quick demonstration on how to determine the tone of a word that doesn't use any tone marks. Next example, which is a word that doesn't use tone marks. Single word, there are 2 syllables. So the first syllable here, we've got ko kwai. We go over here, is it high class? No. Is it mid class? No. So it must be low class. Then we've got a short it vowel, and then the final consonant is do deg, which makes a T sound as a final consonant. So kit, and when we say kit, it stops in our throat. It's a glottal stop. We can't continue voicing that sound, so it's a dead syllable. So we have a low class initial consonant, a dead syllable, and a short vowel. So if we go across to here, low class initial consonant, dead syllable, and a short vowel, that gives us a high tone. Kid. Now, the second syllable starts with tortung. If we go across here, can we find it in the high class? And indeed we can. So that's a high class initial consonant, and the vowel is the sort of the short sound, which is there's no real equivalent in English. And then the final consonant is the NG sound, which is easy for foreigners as a final consonant, not so easy as an initial consonant. But this sound, this tung, we can keep the sound going. Tung. So it's a live syllable. So it's a high class initial consonant and a live syllable. So go back over here. High class initial consonant, live syllable. This gives a rising tone. So as it goes on, it gets higher. So the first part is high and the second part is rising. So kitung. And when you go to Thailand and meet the love of your life, this is what she will tell you every time you're not there. Kitten, I miss you. I hope you found that useful, and I hope you find the card useful. If you spot any errors, or you can think of something that will make it more useful, let me know in the comments below, and I can revise it and then upload a new version. Just a quick channel update. This channel has never been very popular. There's just so few people interested in learning to read Thai. It's not a problem for me. Previously, the channel was monetized, so I was getting some ad revenue from YouTube, about 2 baht a day. Recently, YouTube wrote to me and they told me that this channel gets so few views that they're taking away the ads. So it's good for viewers because now you haven't got to put up with ads, and I now get 0 money. But it's not really a problem for me. I didn't start this particular channel to make money. It was just to try to help people. Okay, thank you for watching.